So there's lots of great examples from inside the company where employees are championing sustainability and using it every day in the decisions that they're making. One is John Helwig at our Fridley oat flour plant. This is where we make oat flour for Cheerios. And he recognized early on that there was a lot of energy embedded in the hulls that are left over after we mill that flour. So he instituted a project that got a biomass burner installed at the plant that provides almost all the steam energy that's necessary to run the plant. It reduces the carbon footprint of that plant by 20%, and it saves about $400,000 every year. So a terrific, terrific result. Another example is our Belvedere plant, where our REAL team there, and REAL stands for Reduce and Eliminate All Losses, spends time every day looking at ways to reduce waste. So for example, one of the things that they did was they upgraded the use of corrugated cardboard that comes with the supplies that come into the plant. Typically that went through the recycling stream, but a better way to use that is actually to reuse it rather than sending it through the recycling stream. So they found ways to send that back to the suppliers to be reused. It saves over 200 tons every year of waste going through the recycling stream. They also looked for ways to save water and energy. And so they identified ways in the cleaning process to really streamline the operation. And they're now using more than 20 million gallons less every year in their cleaning process. A third example is how we're dealing with food waste inside our own four walls. So an employee team at our James Ford Bell Technical Center spearheaded a project where all of the waste that comes off of running plant trials was composted. That compost is then used on our giving garden in our front lawn, which grows vegetables to go to food shelves. This inspired a whole host of teams to get involved and to look at things like our Betty Crocker kitchens, our culinary centers, and even our own employee cafeterias. We're now sending over 2 tons of food waste every week from all these facilities to be composted and turned into greater value.